Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another good one today. I got a TiAL recirculating blow-off valve. Obviously I'm going to hook it up to the recirculating hose so it's still recirculating and not just a blow-off valve. Because you don't want to have just a blow-off valve on your car. So I had to get a little bit extra tubing for this install because the way the bypass valve is mounted up right now, the hose wasn't long enough to get this put in there. Okay guys, so you'll need a 12mm wrench or socket to get the two bolts off here. And then you'll need a 10mm to get these two bolts, this one right here and that one right there, to give us some more room to get that out of there. Okay. So we'll just take these two 12mm bolts off. And it's loose. Okay. Then you get these two with the 10mm. Okay, so now that we got the valve loose, you can pull this vacuum wire off here. Like so. That'll give us more room to get down there to get that clip off right there. Okay, now to get that clip off, get a pair of pliers. And there's two clips on there that'll hold it, so it'll be held open and you won't have to worry about it closing on you. There we go. Alrighty guys, so I had trouble getting this piece hooked up down here. You need to add a little bit of an adapter to get this on there properly. The hose wouldn't make it, so. It's tough. This is the hardest part, guys, is getting this hose hooked up. Getting it off and on is the hardest part. If you do that, you're good. Make sure you get this hose in there right without kinking it or anything. That's the hardest part. It lines up. I mean, it's just a little bit kinked. So I'm gonna try and adjust that. Alright guys, now that we got the recirculating hose hooked back up, make sure you clean up all the surfaces. Get a good seal, make sure it's all clean. Okay. Looks pretty good. It's an extremely tight fit, guys. But it looks like it's gonna work. Oh, and yeah, this actually has an O-ring for the seal, guys. You don't need a gasket. Okay, moving along now. That's on there good. Looks good. Just need to get this vacuum port hooked up. I gotta get that installed. Tighten everything up. We should be good. Alright, now that we got everything all aligned like we want, get everything snugged up, and then tighten everything down real good once you get everything there. Get the vacuum hose hooked up. Alright, now we got this vacuum line hooked up. Make sure this is tight, lined up good. Okay, and make sure we get these good and tight. Tighten everything up. Now I've got everything all lined up like it should be. Boy, this was tough. It was super close. Really too close. Probably not the best for putting it on a top mount, but for front mount it'll probably be pretty good. Alright guys, so we got it in there. It was difficult, very tight fit, but I was able to make it happen. Now I can't wait to see how this sounds. That sounds pretty good. I just wish it was louder, but it's still a recirculating valve. I hope you guys can hear that. Alrighty guys, so I did get it installed on the top mount intercooler. A lot of people thought it wouldn't fit, but it does fit, and it's a really tight fit. It gave me a lot of trouble getting that recirculating hose hooked back up, but as you just heard, it worked, and I'm pretty happy. I just wish it was louder. It's not loud enough. Maybe when I go front mount, I'll just have a regular blow-off valve instead of a recirculating valve. But I also got some other parts to install. So stay tuned for that, guys. Alright, have a good one.